I'm Emily and I love coffee. I'm an apprentice here at Nestlé and I'm finding out more about the 80 years of incredible British heritage going into Nestlé's famous coffee brand, Nescafé. Nestlé invented Nescafé in 1938 and it's grown to be one of the world's most famous coffee brands. Here in Tutbury is where Nestlé's British coffee production began in the 50s, and the team here has been making a range of Nescafé products ever since. In fact, we're making 170,000 jars of coffee every day, with every bean quality checked by our expert team of coffee tasters. And over in Cumbria, our Nestlé Dalston factory has been making Nescafé frothy coffee products since 1962. It all started here because the factory is close to dairy farms which provide the sustainable fresh milk we need to produce 25 million Nescafé cappuccinos every week. Nestlé powers both factories with renewable energy from 2 British wind farms. And here in Tutbury, we've got solar as well. We've got hundreds of coffee experts working in our British coffee factories who make sure you're always going to enjoy the perfect cup.
So the next time you're enjoying a delicious morning cup of coffee brewed in one of our British Nescafé factories, you're enjoying over 80 years of experience poured into an amazing brand that is still just as popular as ever.